Dozens of small businesses in Minnesota are dealing with a legal headache that's costing them thousands of dollars.
Yeah, one lawyer is behind lawsuits targeting at least 70 businesses. The suits claim discrimination against people with disabilities. Things like tables that are too high, parking spaces that are not fully accessible, and entrances that lack a ramp. In some cases, violations have been found, but fixing the barriers isn't enough. As Jennifer Mayerle found in a CCO investigation, the lawsuits seek a payday.
The Bulldog Northeast is a bustling bar and restaurant in Minneapolis.
We had someone send us a letter with a very vague, undescript problem.
Owner Amy Rowland says she was then smacked with a discrimination lawsuit for alleged violations of the Minnesota Human Rights Act.
We've been open for 9 years. We have lots of wheelchair patrons, and we've never had a problem.
Rowland is not the only small business targeted with alleged violations of the Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA's accessibility guidelines, or MHRA. There are upwards of 70 lawsuits filed in state and federal court in Marshall, Mankato, Rochester, and the Twin Cities. The lawsuits not only ask for changes to be made, but sue for monetary damages, alleging a misdemeanor for bias offenses. The move makes business owners and advocates question the motive behind the suits.
It is supposed to make things right, but when you are compliant, you're compliant. There is no ifs, ands, or about it, and someone shouldn't be able to just sue you willy-nilly for no reason, and that's what this gentleman is taking advantage of.
The lawsuits are filed by one attorney, Paul Hansmeyer, on behalf of Disability Support Alliance or its members. DSA is a nonprofit he started that claims to exist to better the lives of people with disabilities.
I think people should be outraged that there's a demographic of people who can't access a society at the same level.
Members feel the lawsuits command attention and evoke change.
In the 1 year that we've been active, there's been many businesses that have had to do renovations.
Are you targeting small businesses?
No, we are going after businesses that we have tried to truthfully use in our day-to-day lives.
Oh, I can't go into this one, let me try the next one.
And that's how they say they pick who they sue. Members tell WCCO they are not paid and that the money from settlements go to their attorney and into a fund designed to develop programs and services for people living with disabilities. They say programs have not started yet, with the exception of real-life access tests, where the group attempts to access business.
If businesses don't want to get sued, they should just seek out the people who know what they're doing.
The Bulldog Northeast, like many others, settled. Members of Disability Support Alliance tell us the average settlement is $8,000.
Why did you settle?
Because our attorney's fees were much more than the settlement, and to pursue it further than we already had would be way more expensive. And we are successful, but not successful enough to fight it.
And that's the problem, says Margot Imdeck-Cross. The accessibility specialist with the Minnesota State Council on Disability applauds the group's proposed mission to remove barriers for people with disabilities. But she says that's not what they're doing.
The fact is if this money isn't going for barrier removal, if people are paying out large sums of money just to keep the lawyers happy, and the barriers aren't being removed, then we've gained nothing in this whole effort.
I'll say, then who is benefiting from this?
Well, you know exactly who's benefiting from this. The person bringing the lawsuit.
That person is attorney Paul Hansmeyer. In 2013, a federal judge issued sanctions against him for his role in outmaneuvering the legal system related to filing of hundreds of copyright lawsuits involving pornographic videos. The judge said he committed fraud and suffered from a form of moral turpitude. Last year, Hennepin County assigned all the Disability Support Alliance member cases to a single judge. The companion cases order raised this problem. The serial nature of these cases brought by one plaintiff against a number of defendant businesses raises the specter of litigation abuse, and Mr. Hansmeyer's history reinforces this concern. More recently, chambers of commerce offered members legal resources to make sure they're compliant before Hansmeyer has a chance to strike. The Marshall Chamber attempted to partner with Disability Support Alliance to help it reach its goals and set funds aside to help businesses become ADA compliant. It says Hansmeyer declined the help. The membership coordinator told WCCO, "It is our assumption that their motive for declining would be the fact that they would no longer get filtered any more money through these lawsuits."
I think that the
Law was never intended to be used in a way to punish businesses.
Certified accessibility specialist Julie Quarvey-Peterson works with businesses to become ADA compliant. She was hired by 17 of the businesses sued and believes there are more effective ways to bring corrective action.
I don't believe that this action is helping the cause of accessibility, which is what it is claiming that it's going to do. I think that this is the hand-slapping slap in the face versus the helping hand of the businesses.
And state advocates agree.
What they're doing is not illegal. There may be some ethical issues.
Do you sympathize with the business then that are getting these?
Yeah, I do. I do. Because again, it seems like the smallest businesses are being targeted.
Now, the Attorney General's office told Jennifer they have forwarded ethics complaints to the Lawyers Professional Responsibility Board. That's the state board that disciplines lawyers for ethics violations. Now, the Bulldog Northeast also filed a complaint with the board. Jennifer said Hansmeier refused our request for an interview.